Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're receiving the error message, that is the program can't start because MSVCP140.dll is missing from your computer while installing Adobe Photoshop on your computer, then please install the Visual C++ on your computer. Now use the link which is provided in the video description. You can get the link from there. Now this particular DLL is actually a part of Visual Studio C++. So you have to install Visual Studio 2015, 2017 and 2019 from this link. So install the x86 or x64 version on your computer. Just click on this link. A exe file will download. You have to run the exe file. Agree to the terms and conditions, then click on install. Click on yes to allow the changes. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer and then you can try downloading or installing the Adobe Photoshop in your computer. You should not be receiving this error message again. So that will take care of the problem. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.